We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with Nndm, Nano Dimensions Inc. continuing to push up higher here in the last several days. We did a lot of coverage on this stock back in 2021, and it's been some time since we've retouched base on it, and a lot of people have been requesting in the comment section down below for an update video. And I'm going to share with you guys my honest, humble opinion, what I see in the charts and what's going on here. And it has CATHIE Wood continued to purchase this stock even though it's down here below $3. Now, it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility today. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 9:50 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with Nndm. We're going to talk about the key levels I would watch here within the charts, what the inflow versus outflow is showing, and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot at 9:35 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 50% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Nndm stock, Nano Dimensions, continuing to break out to newer highs in the last several days, and today hitting a consolidation point after doing a full transition from red bars way down here to bright green bars back to back, and today hitting red bars for the first time in the current transitions of 42 vision. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with Nndm stock, Nano Dimensions, under a bull indicator since the 27th, and inflow stayed above all the way towards this point here today that we are now seeing our first bear indicator pop up and outflow crossover in the last several days. And we're going to look at some key metrics that we do not want to ignore here that have happened in this process, right? Bull indicator, inflows picking up. Inflows hit highs here of 0.49, pulling away from the midpoint all the way up to this point, going from way down here at 230s area to highs up here of $3, leading up to earnings. And a lot of people have been speculated and also have been excited about the information that's been coming out with Nndm and their cash, right? And how things are looking for them, that they're possibly going in a net positive direction, and that they were anticipating earnings to be positive as well, right? So that right now is the speculation. Articles have been coming out about it and the data. But not only that, in this process, there was a key date that Nndm Nano Dimensions was being purchased by CATHIE in these last several days with their print ETF, right? PRNT. Now, this is their holdings of Nano Dimensions, and they've had fluctuations, but a lot of buying going on down here at around the $2 area. And recently it has ran from around 230s all the way up to nearly $3. And things were sitting here at 2.591 million shares. And now on the 29th, it jumped up to 2.625 million. And also the price jumped up by 30 to 40 cents from the 28th to the 29th, guys. And you could see it there in the total amount that they bought. It wasn't a lot. It was several thousand shares, but that goes to show how Cathie Wood continues to buy here into the strength and in this dip here of around $2.30. And things have jumped up with strength up to 3. Now we're under a bear indicator. Inflows are above. This slight divergence should not be ignored, right? Because if this bear indicator continues to hold true, these outflows can begin and bring themselves down towards the midpoint and possibly even cross it to the downside. Something to not ignore here within the volatility here on the 30-minute and also on the 1 hour. When we zoom out, we could see that outflows have began, but in this process, it has not completely destroyed the chart to the downside because these outflows have not crossed the midpoint to the downside. Now, what are the key levels I would watch to the upside and to the downside? Well, the first thing is support, guys, and that's 285. It bounced off of it today. That's how far the outflows went. And if these inflows lose traction and pull down towards the midpoint and cross it, I'm going to be watching if it's going to reflect that weakness here on the 15-minute as it's trying to approach it. Even though it's under a bull indicator here at 293, that's going to be critical and crucial to watch if these outflows continue to the downside on the 30-minute, on the 15-minute, and the 1 hour. And if that 285 gets broken through, the next support is 275 and then the 250 area. Now, to the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical on the 15-minute for these outflows to slow, stay above the midpoint here, these inflows dominating, and pull further away from the midpoint to the upside, switching from red to green and continuing this staircase effect to the upside, holding this bull indicator true and holding strong to roll over this strength into the 30-minute as well, pulling it upwards and eventually reflecting that strength into these charts and canceling out this bear indicator with a possible bull indicator. And the first resistance would be the $3 area. Then above that, 310, and then comes the 320 to 330 area. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial. The inflow versus outflow, I'll be watching very closely going into the next trading day. And also, how does Cathie Wood continue to react? That'll be something to not overlook as well. But right now, we're under a bear indicator on the 30-minute, bull indicator on the 15-minute, and inflows are above on the 30-minute as well. So we have some divergences, definitely key data points to not ignore and overlook here. And I'll be watching them very closely going into the next trading day. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.